Jon and Pete are at the telestrator with more unusual activity. Jon, you're up first.
All right, Michelle, take a look at this one. It's up 48 cents right now. Melco, obviously a play on China. Their last report for Macau showed that the strip was up about 10.3%. Street was looking for 11, and that's why we saw that slide. However, now bouncing back 10%, as you said, I think there's a lot more in there. So what did I do? I bought the 26 calls out in October, Michelle. These ones traded about 4,000 very quickly. I bought those. I intend to hold them probably through September. Another quick one of Pete's favorite stocks, UNHP, United Health, Minneapolis-based company, Michelle.
Yeah,
down 42 cents today. The stock has just been ripping. It's up 18%, I think 3 times what the S&P's up. I like it. I bought calls in this one because they came scrambling in. Bought the September 285 calls. They sold some calls above it. Again, smart investor doing a spread. I bought it. I'll be in these probably through Labor Day, maybe the first week of September.
All right. Pete, what are you seeing?
2 quickies for you. The very first one, CVS. Now, CVS is pretty interesting because it's hit multiple times over the last week or so. But you can take a look at this chart. By the way, this stock had that major drop when everybody said, oh, well, Amazon's going to kill CVS and Walgreens Boots. Not really the case. This stock actually has rallied back pretty nicely since that announcement. But I'll tell you what, they've been buying the October 75 calls very aggressively multiple times. Now, almost every one of these has been part of a spread. They're buying the 75, selling the 80s, but we'll just focus on the buys. But you can see pretty big buying there, buying there. Today, even more buying. Actually, it's right around 2,500 more spreads being bought. They're not taking profits. They're expecting to see this stock go even higher. When this initially started, stock was around 71. Now it's around 74, a little bit higher than 74. So keep an eye on this one. I'm in the October 75s. I like what we're seeing here. It's been pretty aggressive buying. I got one more for you, Schlumberger. Now, Schlumberger's gotten pretty interesting because energy's been in and out of favor. We know how volatile this thing's been. But there's been some buying today. They're going after the 66.5 calls out in September, and they're buying them aggressively enough that it makes me pretty interested. And I like some of this energy space. I'd taken off a fair amount of my exposure. I liked seeing this today, so I decided to grab these calls as well. You can see how much they're buying. Nearly 5,000 of these calls trading today. I'll be in those for a couple of weeks. I'll be in the other one all the way into that October month.